hopefully it all turns on. Oh my gosh. Hello everyone. Finally doing face content, I guess, since I made a bet with a friend to see if my channel would grow better. So that's why I'm doing it like this now, or trying to do it like this. But today we are installing these HD strips and Lasfit's rear turn signals. So right now the car, only the fronts are LED converted. So if I go in here, so the fronts are converted, all the high beams, can't change low beams on this one, and then these are still the halogens. So now we're changing them to LEDs to match with the front, and then I custom made these. No one else has these. Hold on, let me get them untangled. I custom made these. No one made them for me. They're just cut, siliconed, and if you look inside, there's a LED strip in there, and when it's flat on, you can't even see it. So imagine this on the car like that, and it'll be a LED strip. That's what we're doing today. I'm installing these, and it'll probably be like a quick video. I'll add Tuner Empire rollouts. So I went to Tuner Empire Hawaii. It wasn't the best, what's it called? It wasn't the best car show, I would say. But yeah, so we're just here, gonna install these real quick. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. Take out the rear tail light. You just undo 3 bolts and it just pops right out. And then we need to take these off anyway to get the rear bumper off to do the rear reflectors. But I don't have a voltmeter, so my friend's gonna bring one. It's actually mine. I let him borrow it, but he never returned it, so he's gonna return it now. And then I never returned his oil filter tool, so we'll just trade, I guess. Just like that, this thing just pops right off. Usually there, and then it just has this wiring harness. Just unplug it. You're just gonna take this out, just twist and pull. Yeah, just twist and pull. Then just undo this one, and you put in your LED. It's a little wobbly. Hopefully it doesn't come out and bounce around. Shake test, and then we'll just plug it in and power it on and see the difference. So here's the after. Dang, that is bright now. Now that is a pretty big difference from what it was, but pretty much a before and after. So now it matches with the car, and then once we get the rear reflectors in, that'll also match with that, and that'll be pretty sick. So to take off the bumper, it's just 2 screws, or 2 screws and a clip, so 3 items over here, and then there's 2 more clips down there, I think, or bolts. I took this bumper off one time before to see what it would look like with no bumper, like what Honda people do. If I still have a picture, I'll just put it in what it looked like. But yeah, I forgot that my screwdriver doesn't fit, so I have this little makeshift thing to take it off. I totally forgot that you need it. Need a screwdriver small enough to fit in here. Sure we don't lose the screwdriver bit. Dang, that thing is hard to pull out. And then there's one more 10mm bolt up in, you can't see it, but it's like, you still can't see it. It's like right up here. Right there. Time to do the other side. So now there are two annoying clips. One is right there and one is right there on the inside of the bumper. So you have to pop off the bumper and then you have to unpin them, or not unpin them, unclip them. It's like the dumbest thing I've ever seen. And then I still never did the bottom ones. So I have to do those, and I'll probably just do that real quick. So the bottom has 5 of these clips, just like along these, or I guess in the center of them. Here's the lights that we're removing. It's just 3 screws. I'm gonna lose it. There we go. Stock ones. Crusty. There we go. That one was quicker. Old one out. Put the new one in. Imagine I made the wrong set. I made 2 of the same sides. That would be hilarious. Kind of. There we go. It's clipped in. And then just need to screw it in. And I'll flip it over so you guys can see what the other side looks like. Or what it'll look like when it's all together. Then this is what it looks like. You literally can't even see the LED strip in there until you go at an angle. Well, or I guess right there you can kind of see it. So it's pretty much like an OEM Plus upgrade. Dang. That looks nice. So yeah, I just need to wait for my voltmeter now, and then we can install it on the car. But I can install the boxes. So what the boxes I'm talking about are these, so they don't draw too much voltage, or yeah, just draw too much volts and then do something. So they're just gonna tie into this factory harness, but I need to know the pinouts for this. Could probably just Google it. I might just Google it if I get impatient. But I'll probably just mount the boxes like along the OEM wiring harness, and then make sure to connect them to this. Oh, I forgot to film this part, but I mounted the boxes and routed the wires so that the wire ends are like right here for the lights, and this plugs up right there with like a little bit of slack. Same with this side. Pretty much made it symmetrical so it doesn't rattle. So it goes over here to the light, and this goes up to this one. I don't know why Hyundai did this, but I'm gonna undo that so that this can reach, or it can tie into like this much with these clip things on the wire. All right, after a quick Google search, I figured out the pinouts. So this is the left side. I'll probably put a picture if you guys want to do this too and make your own. So yeah, I'm just gonna tape all this so it's all covered. And then now we just have to put the bumper back and see if it turns on. We did a little off-stream mining. I don't know if you can see in there, but now all the wires are zip tied in there, all nice and neat. Same with this side, all zip tied. So now we can finally put it together. OEM fit. All right, this is gonna be my first time seeing it in the dark. I locked the car. I was facing the garage. So I couldn't see it if it was on. So I'm gonna turn off the garage light, and then I'm going to unlock the car and see what it looks like. Hopefully, it all turns on. Oh my gosh. Wait, that looks so sick now. Hold on, let me take you guys off the tripod. Oh my gosh. Wait, why isn't it on? Dude, that looks so sick. Hold on, let me just turn the ignition on. Oi, why are you beeping at me? Here. Jeez. Oh my gosh. The camera doesn't pick it up because it's too bright. But it literally looks like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just a straight line for me. It looks so sick. What? Oh my gosh. I can't believe I made these. The reason why I made these is because I got an inspiration from a Supra guy. Like a Supra installed these on his car, but they're sequential. Mine isn't. So I'm gonna go test out the brakes. I'll put you guys back on the tripod, test out the hazards, blinkers, and brakes. Dude, that's so sick. Holy shit. Nah, that's actually insane. Oh my gosh, dude. That's so nice. Oh my gosh. Dude, that is crazy. It matches so well with the what's it called? The LED light. Like if it was still the halogen, it would be like slower. But that looks so sick. Dude, I can't believe I did this. This is crazy. This is literally one of one. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I still can't believe I made these. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh. Dude, they look so sick, man. Yeah, but that's it for the video. Probably won't be making these for anyone. I just made them because I messaged someone and then they'd never messaged me back and I just built it out of spite. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, give me a like, or not, dislike the video if you want to, but I'm out of here. Peace.